So before we start, I wanted to tell you that if you are not a car enthusiast or don't even have a slightest interest in these kinds of machines, then please unsubscribe now. And I'm saying this because I would rather have less subscribers and views according to them instead of more subscribers and less than half of the views according to my subscribers. I want dedicated audience on this channel, so unsubscribe if you don't have any interest in cars. Thank you. Going off of that serious mood, let's talk about something interesting. Fitment Industries, a
wheels, tires, and suspension.
company or a channel that has more than 600,000 subscribers that also talks about cars and car enthusiasts. And the best narrator of that channel is Alex. Alexify Instagram for me. So as a stupid teen I just messaged him this. Hey Alex, I just wanted to say that man, you guys are lucky as you have a car community around you. And I'm just a stupid teenager in India who want that experience but cannot get that. Just wanted to convey my feelings to you, man, cause you are the best car guy I've ever seen. Love from India. And then he replied, thank you so much for your support, sir. If the community doesn't exist out there, make your own. I was motivated by this message and I really appreciate him. But Alex, my man, I wish it was that simple. And so I'll tell you why it is.
First clap that ass, make it bounce, make it dance. When I hit the club, throw the bills, got the cash. Ayy, she just wanna put the drinks on me. Sure, you got a girl who just keep on ignoring. Shit, I got carried away, blowing the smoke, got me going like triple for days. And I got the bad attitude, you got nothing to take. Back in the place where I started, now these people are fake. Ayy, and this the big ass gang. Your girl is the one flexing all that thing. She too good in the bed, I got no complaint. Let me make her shut her mouth, oh we be in the party, bitches call.
Before I start complaining about the Indian car scene, let me introduce to the car community and what it is. So it's not only about cars and their mechanical stuff, it's just more than that. It's all about different variety of car cultures combined together like JDM, classic American muscle, European luxury and much more. The people here are bunch of car nerds coming together and meet each other talking about cars all day long, knowing about each other's interests, goals, favorite cars, everything, and these nerds are known as car enthusiasts. It also consists sports like drifting and racing, as they also have some of the most insanely great looking cars out there. So much so that I made an entirely different playlist of me talking about race cars. So all in short, anything that is related to cars, whether it's in motorsports or car meets or different types of car cultures coming together, as long as people are dedicated to it, it can be called as a car community. Hope you like that explanation, and now let's come to this video's rant portion to give you some context. As the title said, why is it so difficult to be an Indian car guy? We need to go back in time to explain why is it so. And this is where Pops and Banks came into play. He's also an Indian car enthusiast like me talking about cars on his channel. And when I saw his second video, Why Indian Cars Are Underpowered, Explained, which was a great video by the way, Pops and Banks. In that video he explained that because of the high population here and our country not being the wealthiest, traffic here is high and no one can afford fast car with more horsepower as it consumes more fuel and they cannot even drive fast because of the high traffic here. Which brings me to my next point, econo boxes. Boring, lame, fuel efficient, low power, no fun, but it gets the job done for normal people, so I don't blame them. But I think the only car I see 98% of the time in my whole lifetime are econo boxes. Like they are everywhere. And as an example to myself, I took around in my society and the only cars I found were front engine, front wheel drive lame as economy cars. Just transportation. And if you are a car enthusiast, you know that cars are more than just transportation to us. But wait. Ah, Ricers, the all show no go people around here. These are just a wannabe attention seeker people who like to show off their race inspired cosmetic enhancement, aka Ricer. And there is no problem with these upgrades with me until I hit them, which I do. There are multiple reasons why. First is that they are cringy to me, a lot, more than Need for Speed 2015 cutscenes. Second is that these things aren't functional. They are just budget body kits with ugly layouts, which adds unnecessary weight to the car, which defeats the whole purpose of an economy car as it consumes more fuel, which tells me people here aren't concerned much about fuel prices, because if they did, they won't do this. And the third thing is that these mods are appreciated and even marketed from Bollywood movies like Drive and Race series, which has my biggest problems. Like, let me explain. The people who appreciate these mods are delusional people who haven't seen real good builds like this Mazda RX-7. It's gorgeous, but these deluded people get inspiration from these wannabe budget wheels, which makes them hard to be called as a real car enthusiast. But don't get me wrong, there are some Indian car enthusiasts in contact with me in my Discord server. And if you want to be one of them, you can join that server. Link in the description below. It's me, Pops and Banks, and Jyotir in that server. So anyways, my point is that there are some true car enthusiasts in India who know what are good builds, mods and fun cars out there. But we mostly know them by watching other people talking about cars on the internet like Donut Media, Fitment Industries, Bladed Angel, Shmi and much more. But then we are just internet guys watching other people talking about cars, which brings me to my key and the most important point. Experience. Since how long I have been complaining about the difficulties for being a car enthusiast in India, but it all trickles down to one thing, which is experience. Look, whenever we see a car related video like these builds on the internet, most of the time, no, all of the time we see people from outside of India doing this interesting stuff. And it excludes Ricer from India, but it doesn't end there. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever in India gone to a car meet in which you see all types of different cars hooning, people talking about cars and different modified cars except the Ricers? Have you? Well, the simple answer is no. And if you comment you live in India but you have gone to a real car meet, then I would be mad, but I would rather ask you to invite me there, obviously, because I've never been there. Also, we cannot have cool cars with more horsepower because of the stricter emission standards, although I found this Honda NSX in Bangalore and I might buy it. Anyway, I would have come to this video's conclusion, but there is one more difficulty that mostly kids in school can relate to, which is the Indian education system. Bullshit! As I said before, people are kinda deluded here, and one of the deluded thinking is the education system. Look, even the government schools of America are better than the private schools here. And guess what? Millennials and kids in America says that this shit is old and it's not that important at the name of knowledge and education. And there's even worse case scenario in India. We are forced to mug up useless information in our brain in the name of knowledge until our exams or tests. And if you're not able to do that at the point that you want to kill yourself twice, then it's your fault, not the system's. But the biggest concern here is that people are so into this thing that they don't even have time for themselves, even though they know that they have some kind of interest in cars but are not sure of it. Take me as an example. I used to play the best Need for Speed since my childhood, which was the Need for Speed Most Wanted, and it was the whole reason for me getting into cars. But it took me 9 years to find out that I want to take cars as my career, and between those 9 years I was just a confused boy who didn't know shit because of this education system. And some people aren't even that lucky because playing games are not appreciated in India, especially in the early 2010s, which completely turns off the minds off of people who would enjoy racing games and cars. And so I must say, I fucking hate your schools. Sorry for cussing in that section, but you don't know what I've been through. Anyway, the conclusion to this can be summed up into these points. Know what car culture is and explore it if you are into cars. It will pique your interest at a high level. Support Indian car content creators like me and Pops and Banks or any other creator, and we can build a car community around us. Also, you can join the Discord server to be a part of the community. don't appreciate those racer cars and appreciate only good builds, so the racers can vanish from the scene. You need to have some money if you are a car enthusiast, so you need to sacrifice some things, as the legend Bleeded Angel said. And the last thing is that comment, share, subscribe to this video, and like if you got the message which I wanted to convey. Bye.